Hello traders, Alpha Fletcher on January 15th, 4 minutes before oil news. With the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, you always know far in advance what to expect. As we discussed with my incredible traders, institutional rally on oil overextended. Price heading to 83 zone. Intelligent trader understands the danger of overextended rally and monitoring for pullback. Exact same place where oil sold out from in 2023, exact same place where oil sold out from in 2024 is where we're expecting pullback. So if you're trading as a retail trader, you're trading as long-term position trader, options trader, this is a critical key chart. Word overextended, not to be ignored. And when you zoom in on critical key retail chart, if you choose to day trade, you understand. Alpha Fibonacci System identified critical key buy points on oil since January 9th. Oil no longer the buy point. Oil reached critical key, Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. At this level, pullback is crucial. And more oil will sell off is better. What are the chances of oil skyrocketing through this level? Extremely slim. The keyword overextended. The keyword critical key brick wall. I am converting this chart to 1. So as we monitoring critical key level, knowing very well far in advance, this level is out, this level to follow. But intelligent trader understands when institutional rally overextended and price is reaching critical key retail level, there is only one good news for retail trader. Powerful bearish pullback. That's it. 2 more minutes until the news. So as we're waiting on 2 more minutes until the news, let me show you what played out on S&P. As S&P overextended. This morning we discussed with my intelligent traders, nothing here to do. As we spelled out, days and weeks in advance. This was institutional buy point. Since Monday, market been skyrocketing from 5800 level. And if you're paying attention to software, this is what software have done. Picking up, stunning start of spectacular rally this morning, pre-market. So when institutional rally continues, intelligent trader understands. This morning it is overextended. Correction is on. Price did not crash at this level as this level was obeyed. So when you're putting both charts together and you understand how S&P responds to oil news and how Dow does exactly the same, as critical key levels on Dow spelled out many days in advance, as Dow drastically higher, you are not gambling with your money. You have opportunity to buy the ultimate trend inception with institutions, no matter how small or large your account is. Again, Dow overextended, monitoring this level to the downside. Institutional rally, hundreds of points, started from 4200 level. Right now, 150 points higher. That's it. Bringing up to your attention oil. Oil news, 1 minute. As you're witnessing again and again and again, it is all the same. We have no idea what oil news is. We're witnessing the pullback. Bringing up pending number. Oil news is bullish. However, it is pulling back from critical key Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. There is no bullish rally, correct? So when you're trading a strategic intelligent chess and you understand the power of this, you make a personal decision on the instrument you want to trade. And here's something else extremely important. As you're witnessing Alpha Fibonacci System overriding news. News is bullish, oil selling off. Here is more. This is the events of this morning on S&P. Pay attention, please. As I spelled out and discussed with my students since Monday, Today is Wednesday, midday, correct? That bullish rally is vicious and continues higher. So how is it possible? Major news this morning, so bearish. But S&P skyrocketing hundreds of points in the last 3 days. This is a rally this morning after extremely bearish news. Pay attention, please. This is a news, 5:30, January 15th. We identified that this is where price heading to, correct? January 15th, 5:30 a.m., news extremely bearish. S&P skyrocketing instantly from 5900 level until 5982, 80 points. My goodness. This is how Alpha Fibonacci System overrides news time and time again. And pay attention, please. Oil news is bullish. How is it possible? Oil selling off. So when you start using your limitless brain and start trading markets as intelligent strategic chess, the skies are the limit. That's it. Absolutely no software on any of these charts. You simply insert proprietary levels and apply proprietary strategies on the instrument of your choice. This is a software to day trade futures on S&P Mini. I choose to project on 1 minute chart. This is that the market opened a pullback after extremely bearish news that again where buyers picked up from, not to be ignored. And again, this is a bullish rally on S&P picked up from critical key levels at the bold green zone. So here's the software in play right now on S&P Mini Future. Critical key event, please pay attention. If you choose to day trade futures, you know your targets with a single glimpse when you're looking on the software. Why is this level so important to the downside? It identifies bearish weakness. As again, you know quite well, weakness, bold pink line, counter trend. Absolutely no power on sellers because institutional rally skyrocketed and picked up the steam from this level. Again, signals on multiple various charts. I choose to project software on 1 minute chart. So when you're witnessing to the tick such powerful plays without software for all platforms, all instruments, or with software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8, you make a personal decision on the instrument and time frame you choose to trade. Simplicity is core of all the strategies I ever develop. Simplicity playing out in front of you live. Sellers are weak, identical level on oil, on any chart you choose to trade. No software, none is present. You want to trade on Thinkorswim, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, TradingView, Infinity, all the other platforms. If it has Fibonacci retracement tool, that's all you ever need. But if you choose to day trade futures, this is software for NinjaTrader 8. Signals played out on multiple charts. I choose to project software on 2 minute chart. Let's go to 1. Again, selling pressure is on S&P. Such a good news after overextended rally. Correct? Despite bearish news. To the downside, this will be critical key event on S&P. Converting this chart to 5, to 10, to any chart you choose to trade. And again, here's precision to the tick on 1. As short reaches reversal zone. It is all the same. Please pay attention. If you understand the power of this and strategic intelligent chess and how price moves one step at a time, you stop gambling, you stop speculating, you stop stressing out. You start trading all markets as intelligent, precise chess. So the oil remains stuck. S&P reaches critical key target. You do not need many trades. All you need is one. And again, all of this identified days in advance. Bullish rally overextended, pullback is key, and we discussed all of this with my students. But sellers extremely weak. It's a critical key event that show you instantly. Precision is a crucial key part when you take especially retail shorts. There is no other option. This is the only option in the current markets now. So buyers are weak. Price will remain stuck in this trading range. If buyers pick up with steam, you're extremely clear where it's coming from. RZ means reversal zone. Enjoy and trade with ultimate precision on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. When multiple alerts play out on scanner, you understand its powerful move. When single alert play out, it is weakness. Intelligent trader takes only second and third alert, not first. If you're trading first, you're trading weakness. On the short, we had 3 alerts, 3 various trades. That's the reason I brought it to your attention. Again, after overextended bullish rally, we've been waiting for oil news, discussing the importance of powerful pullback. Pullback remains weak, reminding you the power and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system for all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, and with software to day trade futures on Ninja Trader 8 that spells out where to enter, where to place your stop, where your target should be. Buyers are weak if buyers fail to break through this level. And that's the reason students become my dearest friends for life. All you have to do, make an effort and identify what instrument, what time frame you want to trade. And if you decide to trade Bitcoin, of course you can. If you want to trade Tesla, absolutely. Identical event that's playing out on Bitcoin is what playing out on S&P and Dow now. Only difference, if you're trading Bitcoin, you're looking at the chart once a week. Decision is yours. Tesla reached reversal zone, but remember how much Tesla struggled at this level for over a year. And that's a critical key part, and that's the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system that allows you to buy stocks at the bottom, that shows you with your phenomenal effort where these critical levels are, where to enter at the bottom, where to take the profits off on your position. That's it. So when you know this, and you can do this on Amazon, and you know where to take your profits off the table, and you can trade euro and know that despite catastrophic global events, euro skyrocketed at the bottom from 96 cents. For us Americans traveling to Europe, it's a beautiful news to see how euro collapsing. 102 lifeline, 1006 is out, euro in free fall until 95 cents. This is a key level on euro to the upside. That's it. So if you enjoyed the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system in the live markets this morning, and you witnessed again how system overrides news, oil sold off despite bullish news, and S&P and Dow skyrocketed despite bearish news, and you make an effort, the sky's are the limit. With software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8, or absolutely without, choice is yours. What instrument, what time frame, what platform you choose to trade. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So please review all the information on the website. You can always sign up for the trading room invitation and you can review and see. Proprietary system taught in group and private mentoring classes with lifetime system, lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 or all platforms. You can listen to students' podcasts, you can view students' performance, and you will see if these traders have done it, so can you. Carlton brought 5 friends to the course. Emmanuel brought his wife. Fathers bringing their children to the course. And if they can do this, so can you. The skies are the limit if you make an effort. If complete beginner Pablo can do it, to whose podcast you can listen, and close his low practice and become absolutely full-time trader, so can you. You can hear this on our podcast channel. Currently offering savings up to $8,000 with private mentoring package. Every package includes video library modules, trading room. Private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. I show you what you should be trading versus not. Group course, the most popular option, savings $5,000. You have any questions for me? Please do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And again, here we go. This is the alert on Dow. This is how power shows up on your scanner. S&P moved very fast. Dow finally catching up. I always encourage my students to learn on Dow, as Dow giving you triple number of trades. Phenomenal instrument to practice on. But again, it is absolutely your choice on what you choose to trade. Simply pick up the phone and call or email me your number and I will always reach out. I live and breathe what I do, and it's been my joy and honor to be here with you this morning. Thank you, traders, so much.